Okay,
Sige,
Chairman.
sige.
Chairman, follow up lang ako dun sa mga years. Confidential short lang. Colonel, will the Chair allow me? With the indulgence of
With the
Chairman
indulgence
Dan.
of Congressman Fernandez.
Ganito po, kailan ka ba na-assign dun sa US?
2020 po, Your Honor.
2020 month. Anong buwan? Anong buwan?
August po, Your Honor.
August, so half of 2020. Now, when was the NOIPITS was established? Las Vegas.
2021, Your Honor.
2021. Of what month?
Nag-start po, Your Honor, December.
December. Oh, December 2021. In short, from 2020 to 2021, yun yung na-accumulate mo in the 3 years of your salary and your allowances. Eto Oh, ba't tumatras ka? Tinatanong kita. Do you confirm? Kasi yung data mo is 2020 August, tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, you were signed. Now, yung NOIPITS was established December of 2021. So, ilang buwan lang yun.
Yes,
Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, bakit sinasabi mong half? Half of your salary.
I will submit the...
And then you're lying. Huwag kang magsinungaling, Colonel. Akala mo dito yung mga tao dito, yung committee bobo, na hindi pwedeng isa-isahin. You have said on record, when you asked by Chairman Barbers, that half of the $200,000 came from your salary. And your salary, 2020 August, you started there being assigned, and 2021, hindi ko pa sinasabi yung expense mo. Yung expenses mo. Paano magiging half of that? How can you earn 100,000 a month for just 1 year or less? You're lying.
Mahigit po, Your Honor.
Ano mahigit? Sige nga, kwintahin mo nga. Alam mo, yung 3 years mo, kung tama yung sinasabi mo, that's only 288,000.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, but you started August 2020 and December 2021, saka kayo bumukas. Oh, yung expense mo lahat-lahat. Oh, who are those Ito, Colonel, marami pa kaming tatanong sa iyo. If, in the next topic, pag nagsinungaling ka, baka mapakontem ka.
I'm very willing, Your Honor.
Oh, you're very willing. Okay. Now, sino yung mga incorporators?
Mga...
Sino mga?
Ray Perez po, Your Honor.
Sorry?
Ray Perez and
Sino nga?
Lauro
Sino
Calonzo. Ray Perez and Lauro Calonzo po, Your Honor.
Filipino.
Filipino-Americans, Your Honor.
Oh, saan address?
Doon po sila based, Your Honor.
Oh, saan nga doon?
Sa California po, Your Honor.
California. Saan sa California?
In
In where?
Los Angeles, Your Honor.
Saan nga?
Los Angeles po, Your Honor.
Oh, Los Angeles. Now, how did you know these people?
They were my brothers, paternity brothers, Your Honor.
Fraternity brothers.
Yes, Your
Oh,
Honor.
anong trabaho ng dalawa? Doon.
Restaurateur po si Mr. Calonzo, Larry Calonzo, Your Honor.
Oh, yung NOIPITS, di ba?
Matagal na po yan, Your Honor. 2013 yan nag-umsa.
2013. Pumasok ka lang 2020.
Opo.
2021, December.
Opo, nung mag-open ho sa...
Sa Las Vegas.
Las Vegas, opo.
Oh, please. Eto Mr. Chairman, I move for Colonel Villela to submit his SALN in the year 2019 up to 2022, Mr. Chairman. When was the last year you were assigned in the US?
Last year, Your Honor.
When was that?
2023,
2023,
September po ako na uwi, Your Honor, dito.
2023 September.
Yes, Your Honor.
Also, you submit in this committee your SALN from 2019 to 2023.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman, point of inquiry.
What is the inquiry?
Regarding dun sa $8,000 na natatanggap ni Colonel Villena, is this taxable in the U.S.? How is the money received?
Yeah, I believe so, Your Honor, that is a taxable, if that is the gross amount of the salary that
Yung
is
ba
getting.
yung buong amount o Yun yung take home mo, Colonel.
Buong amount yun, Your Honor, dito po inaano yon, binibigay sa amin. Pinapadala po doon, plus yung sahod ko po as a colonel, Your Honor.
So
Hindi pa
taxable
kasama.
yung $8,000.
Dito po, Your Honor, hindi po.
Hindi. So dito kasabay ng sweldo mo, pinadadala buo. Ganun.
Yes, Your Honor. Nandito po sa land bank po. Dito po
Okay.
pinapapasok.
Thank you very much. I just wanted to get clarified on that. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman
Mr. Chair.
Suarez. Please proceed. And
Okay,
we have,
matatapos na ako. Okay.
Please wrap it up.
Colonel Villela, were you a former finance officer ng PNP as controller ng PD sa Iloilo?
No, Your Honor. I am the provincial director of Iloilo, Your Honor.
Hindi ka naging finance officer?
Never I was assigned in finance, Your Honor.
You were assigned?
No.
Never. Okay. Mahilig ka rin sa mga Rolex. May Rolex ka.
Meron po, Your Honor.
Ilan ang Rolex mo?
Isa lang po, regalo po sa akin, Your Honor.
Isa lang. Sino nagregalo sa'yo?
My wife po, Your Honor.
Yung wife mo ngayon.